Why do I need bookkeeping? A question a lot of business owners ask. In order to answer this question, we're gonna have to go through what is bookkeeping, what's the benefit of bookkeeping. My name is Noura, accounting and tax professional and the founder of Noura's Books. You are in the right place if you're looking to take your business into the next level. Welcome. Bookkeeping is recording every single transaction happen in your business, whether receiving or paying money. Paying for your inventory, paying for rent, receiving money from your customers, any kind of financial transactions that needs to be recorded, that is bookkeeping. Dealing with the past. Why do you need bookkeeping? You need bookkeeping simply because in order to do your taxes, you have to have a proper bookkeeping. If you're not doing bookkeeping, then most likely you're not keeping your receipt, you don't know how much you owe your vendors, you don't know how much your customers owe you in case you are invoicing later. If you have net 30 or you're dealing with any kind of invoicing, you don't know which money you received, which money you didn't receive. You might say, oh no, Noura, I know who owes me money and I know what do I have to pay. Maybe now, maybe at the moment, and maybe you don't. You think you do, no, but you don't actually, because you are so busy as a business owner. You get very consumed with running your business and you don't have time to take care of your finances, thinking this is the luxury work. But in fact, it's not luxury work. This is as important as opening the door for your store every day if you have a store, or being there for your clients or customers, whatever the business you provide, whether it's like financial service, gig work, having a store that you sell product, whatever the business that you have, you need to do bookkeeping. It's actually not a choice, it's a compliance work. If you don't do bookkeeping in a monthly basis, then you're gonna be in a big trouble when you have to file your taxes. You will either pay so much in taxes because you don't have proper deduction, or you cannot know like how much you make and you pay taxes on things that you didn't sell. And to do bookkeeping in the beginning, it doesn't have to be fancy. I personally prefer a software solution because it's easier. You can run reports in a second. You can know a lot of information just by run reports. But you can start doing something, even if you are a startup and you don't have a budget yet, you can start with something as easy as spreadsheets, Excel or Google Sheets. Use anything just as long as you are recording every single transaction so you can answer your accountant in the end of the year to get you the correct deduction and all the deduction you are entitled to. And if in case you're audited, you are ready. No matter how you are recording, as long as you are recording every single transaction and you're not missing anything, have it organized, keep every single receipt and invoice as supporting documentation, have it organized as much as possible, whether digitally or paper. I don't know, it's really hard to keep it as paper nowadays in the digital time, but if that's what you prefer, that's fine as long as you keep your paper. But the easier solution is to have it on a software solution. I personally prefer QuickBooks because it's an online solution. It has a lot of options that we can choose the best one that satisfy your business needs, and you can keep digital copies of everything in the transaction, in the same transaction. So when you look at the transaction details, you can attach that supporting documentation, so in case of audits you cannot go wrong because you have everything with the supporting documentation. And when you give access to your accountant to do your taxes or to do your bookkeeping, then she will have everything in the place and she's not going to ask you a lot of questions. But otherwise, expect the accountant to ask you a lot of questions and be ready for that. I'll end this video here and I will have a link for QuickBooks if you decide to use QuickBooks online. If you sign up through my link, you're gonna get 50% for the first 3 months. If you sign up for QuickBooks through my link below, I encourage you to do that so you can have things more organized, and this way you can give access to whoever you want, like the accountants, an in-house bookkeeper, and you can still have access to that. So go ahead and take care of your finances now before it's too late. Please subscribe, support my channel. I'm planning to have videos for you, information to help you manage your business or nonprofits. If you need help with any financial solution for your business, please feel free to schedule a free 15-minute consultation with me at the link below. See you later.